to the Money Talk Show TV and give you a perfect example of why it's so important to invest your money. If you look at the top right now, you see Tesla. Tesla is going to go to the moon this week, probably, and keep on going. It's at $408.09, right at the top. Scroll down. That's why I recommend using Webull. It gives you all the layman terms of the stock market explained, so you can understand. If you don't understand, down here, right here, you got news, comments, analysts, press release, financials, and the profile of the company that you want to think about investing in. Let's go to the news first. See what the news give you. See right there, 7 minutes ago. A race with Tesla, says Volkswagen CEO, as German giant makes another EV push. Let's go to the next article. Tesla joining the S&P 500 can help supercharge record rally. And that's big news. Tesla finally heads into the S&P 500. That's the big news. And it's going to make this stock. Well, actually, that's what it made the stock do. It was right down there and see. Spread it up a little bit for you. Yeah, if you see right there, it closed. You see down here at the time, 1300. The little moon sign, that means the end of the stock market. The end of the stock market, it was at $400. A little bit over 405, like maybe about 407, 408, which is exactly what it is now. And it went all the way up. Now it's at 463. 463. If you really had your money invested in Tesla, you would have just got 63, roughly $40, $50 more just in one night. Come on, let's go, baby. Go back. Another reason to you get comments. I wouldn't go with the comments because people gonna tell you all kind of stuff, so I ain't gonna even show you that. But what I really love, when you get Webull, if you deposit $100 as your first deposit, they will give you a free stock valued up from $8 up to $1,600. This is the big boys right here. And that's what I do on the Money Talk Show. I'm going to show you a little bit, the beginning stages, middle stages, and a little bit for the big players out there. Now you go to the analyst. It tells you what you should do or what they think you should do. They think you should hold it. That means it might be going up. 35.29% of the analysts these are professional guys, people who went to school and went to college for the stock market, not me. They went to the stock market. And for the disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. I am just here to give you educational knowledge and encourage you to start investing your money. Now let's get back to it. But the analysts pretty much are smart dudes. They pretty much know the stock market. They've been doing it for years, and they pretty much watch it every single day and predict on what it's going to do. And they give you little predictions. But if you look down here, if you see the low, right in the blue, low, $40. If you had invested in Tesla when it was $40, you would have $400+ right now just for one share, $40. And you could have actually sold it at $774 and got your money out. Took it, did whatever you wanted to, put it back into it, buy something else, do whatever. Just the powers, just to show you just the powers of investing. They give you all kinds of little stuff. We go on to that, and I'll explain that later on. We'll get into that, but right now, this is to show you Tesla is going up. This is the news. Tesla just made into the S&P 500, and it's going up. Tesla will be, I believe, it's going to be about $500, at least by the end of this week. At least $500. That's what I think. It's at $408 now, and today is Monday. The Bears is playing right now, and they losing. That's my team, Chicago. Shout out to the Bears. and everybody in Chicago. But let's go. moneytalkshowtv.com, baby. Tesla is going to go up. If you're not invested, hey, I'm going to show you how. Go ahead and use the link down below. Sign up with webull. Deposit $100. That's your first deposit. And you'll get a free stock for using our link. It's free information. I am not a financial advisor. Just want to encourage you. I don't recommend you just go ahead and buy, spend all your hard-earned savings on Tesla. I just wanted to give you information on telling you that Tesla, and my prediction, is going to be at $500 for in this week. So I'm putting my money on Tesla. I'm letting you know that now. I already got some bets on Tesla. So, moneytalkshowtv.com. I am the money coach. Call all new beginner investors. And remember, be blessed to invest in yourself.